Hi, I'm Josh, and life is an adventure. Oftentimes, I get to make dinner for my family, and tonight's one of those nights. We're gonna be grilling up some pork chops. The only problem is that there's a lot of rain clouds gathering outside, and I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna need to grab a poncho or something. We're gonna see how this goes. Alright, so it's Monday, and we're doing some hardcore barbecuing here, because I'm hungry and it's not gonna stop me. We're still gonna grill, despite the downpour that's coming out right now, and yeah, I hopefully make it through this.
I thought it would fit.
Thankfully, we have this electric grill because my Korean mother is resourceful and we cook all the time, so there's Dad coming to the rescue.
Not me. You. Just helping out.
And as if to add insult to injury, I am now also covered in mosquito bites. So yeah, hashtag thriving. Alright, so while that's cooking, let's see what kind of trouble we can get into. Sometimes I can forget how extra my family can be. Oh! And other times, I absolutely love it. So here's a turtle that I got from my mom from Key West. It's so fun and jingly. Yeah, that was a heck of a trip, but that's a story for a different day. Hey Alexa, light on. Alexa. Oh, so the light switch was turned off. Hey Alexa, turn the light blue. Isn't that so cool? Hey Alexa, turn the light chartreuse. Okay. Wow, she's good. Alexa, light white. You don't know white? Turn the light white. Yep, that's a lot better. Thank you, Alexa.
You're welcome.
This is my beautiful mother. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. She is the best, and I love her.
Thank you.
Catch me walking around in these new kicks. Literally $5 at Kmart. Best stuff ever. Oh my goodness. Got some mac and cheese going on. You can't really see it, but the oven light doesn't really work, so. I gotta say, macaroni and cheese is in my top 3 favorite things in life. Number 2 being fireworks, and number 1 being God. And we are done. Oh, these look so good. And dinner is served. Say hi. This is my brother. He's very happy right now.
And there's his ice cream.
This is my dad. He's addicted to ice cream. Huh. This is funny stuff. Now is a beautiful day. So there you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Every day is an opportunity for adventure, and my hope is that you find yours. See you next time.